Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to adjust the playback speed for audio files in PowerPoint. This is a really handy feature if you want to slow down speech for better understanding or speed it up to review content quickly. I'll guide you step by step so you can easily follow along. First, open PowerPoint and load the presentation you're working with. Then click on the File menu in the upper left corner and select Options at the bottom. This opens a window where you can customize different aspects of PowerPoint. Next, go to the Customize Ribbon section and make sure the Developer tab is visible by checking the box next to it. This tab gives you access to advanced tools needed for adjusting multimedia elements. Click OK to save your changes and return to your presentation. You'll now see the Developer tab added to your ribbon. Click on the Developer tab, and in the Controls group, look for More Controls. Click it and scroll to the bottom of the list to select Windows Media Player, then click OK. Click anywhere on your slide to place the media player. You'll see a small rectangle appear on your slide. Right-click this rectangle and select Property Sheet. In the Property Sheet, click on the three dots next to Custom to explore more settings. Here you'll find the file name or URL option, which is where you select the audio file you want to adjust. After selecting your file, click Advanced and you'll see an option labeled Rate. This is where you can adjust the playback speed of your audio. Choose the speed you need, whether slower or faster, and click OK to apply your changes. And that's it. You've successfully adjusted the playback speed of your audio file in
Download
PowerPoint,
sample files
making your presentations more dynamic and tailored to your needs. Thanks for watching, and do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials.
different formats. We offer test files